Hello, and welcome to application test number 3. Now, you're probably coming here directly from application test number 2, and that's because this one has to do with your part that you made in application test 2. So what we're going to do here is you're going to use these parts here that were what was specified in application test 2, and you're going to actually assemble them all together and make your part actually work by putting the bearings in the bearing holes, using the bolt holes to attach it to your max tube, and attaching your gears to your bearings so they can spin and making it all spin correctly. And so I'll give you about 30 seconds yet again to try this on your own, and then I'll come in and show you how to do it. So it's been about 30 seconds. Feel free to pause and continue if you're still working. But I'm going to show you all how to do this now. So we're going to insert our part from before. And what we're going to do first is I'm actually going to copy these so I have the amount of them that I need. Because I need 4 of those and 4 of these. And now what you're going to do is, with bearings, I like to get this little lip here. And then get the lip on my piece. I have to flip it so it's the right direction. And then I like to just do that for all of them so that they kind of sit on top of it like they would in reality. Just makes it a bit more realistic so it's even closer to what you'd actually be making. Helps with spacing also if you need to consider that. And so now that we have all of these, I'm actually going to now fasten this onto my max tube, which can be kind of annoying sometimes. This time it wasn't, thankfully. I'm going to rotate it like that because that's how I want it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix my max tube in place so I can't move any of this stuff. And now I'm going to revolute my gears onto my bearings. And so now that should rotate properly. Oh, it's rotating the wrong thing. I did it the wrong way around. Whoopsie. There we go. Now it's rotating properly. And so now we continue to do that for all of our gears. And let's see, does it rotate? Yes, it does. We have yet another gear right here. This one will fit in to, oh, not right there. It'll fit in right, it'll fit in right there. Sometimes lining things up can be kind of annoying in your assemblies, but you can get it to work if you have enough patience. And so now we're gonna just put the last one on, make sure it spins and get out of there. And so now if we look at it, we can see that these gears, they're all meshing pretty well. We can see that if we were to actually make this, all of our gears would mesh. But as we see, if I spin this, the others don't spin, and that was part of our requirements, was the others needed to spin. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit gear relation, and now I have to click on revolute 1 and revolute 4 so that they kind of work together. And now let's see, if I spin one, it spins the other, but it's spinning in the wrong direction, so I tell it to reverse direction. And now those two work together. Now we do the next one, revolute 1, revolute 2. Let's see, it's also spinning the wrong direction, so reverse direction. And now it's spinning properly. And now we do the last one, revolute 3 and revolute 2. And then I'm going to assume I got a reverse direction on this one. Let's see, I was wrong, I actually didn't. Look at that. And so now we see if I spin this one, we can see they all spin. It's very laggy, but we can see they're all spinning, and these are spinning in opposite directions. That's what you had to do for this. Hope you got it, hope you enjoyed, and hope you learned something. Have fun.